By María Camila Prat, María Fernanda Lar, and Kiana Sofia. The uses for solving equations and why is it important in our lives. Uses of solving equations to describe and model the world around us. In the corporate world, an example is a break-even point. Physics time distance, constant acceleration. The historical context of algebra. Emerged at the end of the 16th century in Europe. Until the 19th century, it consisted essentially of the theory of equations.
Babylonians, position of number system, Pythagorean triples, and linear equations. Egyptians, linear equations of the form x plus ax equals b.
Greeks. They made a new type of algebra, based in terms were represented by sides of geometric objects, usually lines that had letters associated with them. Real-world examples of solving equations.
Matching tempo's music, finding the cost of something on a sale at a store. In basketball, for perfecting your shot.
Real-life example, selling empanadas. The cost of producing one empanada is 2 pesos, and the initial investment is 10 pesos, so the cost equation is y equals 2n plus 10. Sales line. She sells each empanada for 4 pesos. The sale equation is y equals 4n. Putting this together, we can describe this situation using this graph. The break-even point is 5. The equation is 4n equals 2n plus 10. 4n minus 2n equals 10. 2n equals 10. n equals 5. If she sells less than 5 empanadas, she will lose money. But if she sells more than 5, she will get a profit. Basic explanation of solving techniques. For these situations, we need to use the opposite operation. For example, plus equals minus, minus equals plus, multiplying equals dividing, dividing equals multiplying. In this case, the equation is 3x minus 5 equals 22. You pass minus 5 to the other side with a plus sign. That means 3x equals 22 plus 5. Then you add 22 plus 5, the same as 3x equals 27. X is multiplying, you pass it to dividing. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. X equals 9. What are the origins of the word algebra?
The word algebra comes from the Arabic word algebra. This came from the book titled Rules of Reintegration and Reduction, a book written around 800 2000 BC by a mathematician named Mohammed ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. The book covered the topic of polynomial equations, and methods of reducing and balancing were introduced.
Be sure to include an example of an easy problem, medium, and hard, an explanation of how to solve them. Easy problem. 3x equals 12. 3x is multiplying divide, so it passed to dividing. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Medium problem. The example is 5x divided by 3 equals 12. You pass dividing by multiplying into both sides. Now 5x passed to dividing. 5x divided by 5 equals 12 times 3, 36 divided by 5. You do it in both sides. That means x equals 36 over 5. Hard problem equation. 2x plus 18 equals 3x plus 2x minus 6. 2 goes with x and with 18, meaning 2x plus 16 equals 3x plus 2x. Then 2x plus 16 equals 3x plus 2x, mean 5x minus 12. Then minus 3x plus 16 equals minus 12. Minus 3x equals 4. X equals minus 4 thirds.